Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic inventor tutorial part design exercise number 27. Click part and click start to the sketch. I will choose XY plane, draw circle, set for diameter into 32. We create again with diameter 56. Can create a rectangle start from this point into here. For length, set into 40, and then distance, you can set the dimension. Click from these lines to center point here. You can set in here into 20. The next, set again distance from these counter points into origin point 50, and you can press enter. Use trim tools to cut the line object and then the circle. Finish sketch, and to convert into 3D, you can create with extrude tools. Select at this face, and we extrusion in here distance into 15. Click OK. The next, I will select at this face and we create new sketch. You can draw rectangle start from this point to here. Set for the distance into 10. Press enter. Click finish sketch and use extrude tools to extrude at this face. Set for distance into 35. The next, I will select at this face. We create new offset plane. I will set into minus 70,5 and use mirror tools. I will mirror with this option, mirror solid. For mirror plane, you can select this plane, and then I will set into new. Click OK. The next, we mirror again this object. You can click mirror. Use a solid. For solid object, click at this object and mirror planes. We need to create first. For the mirror planes, I will select at this face. Click offset from planes and -5 for distance. Click OK. Click mirror tools. Select this option, solid, and mirror plane. You can select this plane. Don't forget to click here to remove original, and then you can click OK. You also can hide for this object. I will right click in work plane, uncheck for visibility, and also in this work plane. Select all objects, and then you can click combine. For base body, click this objects, and then for tools body, this object. Click OK to combine. The last, you can use fillet tools. Set for radius into 5, and I will select in this edge. And the last. You done? Click OK. Now we already create this simple part design exercise number 27 with Inventor. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.